Hey guys, RB here. Hope you're doing great and enjoying the content that I've been creating. What a great day today. We got a breakout finally above that 6284 level. Though I was not trading on SPX or SPY this week, I was mostly long on DIA because I like that structure much better. But regardless, market has pushed to the new highs. As I have been saying, that I'm not bearish yet. This all looks like a very similar consolidation to what happened in June, just right here. And I expect that when the breakout happen, we will get a very decisive breakout, like creating a fair value gap at the same level, pushing the price higher, and that fair value gap will not get closed. And if you look into this, what happened here, that's what we got. Once the price started pushing above today, we created a fair value gap on a 4 hour, which is very, very strong momentum. And, and that breakout has been holding. So for us to continue to go higher, the first and important thing is that this level should not be closed on a 4 hourly candle, which is 6274. We'll call it at 6270. So we should not get this fair value gap closed, and the price should not drop back into this box, right? So that's how we want to measure that this breakout is gonna hold. It can fall back a little bit into this area, that's fine, but it should not drop below this level, right? So that would not be good for bulls, and that will be another false breakout. So I don't think that's gonna happen, but that's something to keep in mind from the price action standpoint. Right now, what do we expect next? Um, the one thing that I shared in the Discord channel today was that you know probably looking at something as this is wave one, wave two. This was a small consolidation on four, and we are going for a fifth wave higher. So from late July to September, October time frame, we have seen some sell off in the last couple of years. So based on that, if that's how it's gonna be this year as well, we can get the correction from the next high that we are creating, and we'll see a reversal. But we are also in a in an earning session, in our earning season right now, and we have all mag sevens to report and many others to yet to report. So that'll come in next 2 to 3 weeks, most of them, right? I think starting with Tesla next week. Netflix reported today. Uh, but other Max 7s and all the Max 7s start next week, right? From starting by with Tesla first, right? So if this has to again top out, so I think next 1 2 weeks can probably be somewhere. It keeps kind of moving up and chops a little, probably create some sort of a reversal structure on a shorter time frame, something like that, and then on either on earnings or something like that, we get a drawback, right? I'm not looking at a very large drop, but if this is a wave 4, then probably we are looking back somewhere around getting back into the 6132 6147 level, or we are getting to 6050 6060 level, right? Again, a very choppy structure formation. You know how the wave 4s are. It goes here into the 6400, comes back into 6200, or maybe lower into 6177, bounces again. Can't say what kind of bounce it will be. Will it be flat to make a double top, or will be a smaller retracement of 61% or so, and then create a zigzag overall, coming back to this level? So something like this is possible if this is my this consolidation was my wave 4 for this particular leg. Now there could be an alternate path to it, which also need to be addressed, right? So which is where this is not the major or the primary wave 4, but this was a sub 4. So which means my wave 1, wave 2 was this, and this was a sub 1, sub 2, sub 3, sub 4, and the wave 3 completes somewhere here. We get another wave 4, another wave 5, and then the retracement starts, right? So we'll have to keep building as it moves up. But of course, once this leg goes into somewhere into 6400 area, it's highly possibly we get into some sort of correction. Whether that correction is a larger correction taking us to 60 level, or whether it gets us to just to test 6200 again, and then one more bounce happens to 6500 and all that. We'll see about that, right? But as if you are long right now, just look at booking your long somewhere when it comes into the 6400 level, and from there onward we'll see what kind of correction that we are getting, right? So that in short is gonna be my plan. And like I said, I was long on DIA, so this is what I'm looking at DIA as well. That 1 2 3 4 5, right? Once it gets into this 450 452 level, I'm gonna be out. And if my all my waves up to this 3 level are for this wave 3 are complete here in this segment, right, then we are looking into some sort of a retracement going back into the 432s, right? So if this was my 1 2 and 3 is finishing here, I would look for a 4 to come right into this area, which is a huge support, and then making another level up, right? So this is primarily what we are looking at. So let's see if this is going to be just one more high, or like I explained in US 500, that this is still an interim sub 4 or a for 3, and the next will be another small retracement. Small retracement means from 6400 to around 6200, and then one more looks like to 6500, right? So I'll keep sharing updated videos about it, so you don't have to worry about it. But this is what I'm looking at. So longs to be closed somewhere in the ballpark of 6400. Thank you very much. Hope you have a nice day. And if you like my content, please do subscribe and like and share. Thank you. Bye bye.